What's going on, everybody? What up? Cody Sperber, Clever Investor here. Glad to see you guys jumping on. I wanted to pop on real quick. I just left the gym, heading over to get a haircut. So I have a few minutes, and I wanted to talk to you guys about attitude. It's an honest conversation. A lot of you guys that follow me know that, as a real estate investor, I've been very lucky and fortunate to have made a lot of money, which has parlayed into multiple other businesses. And I've learned a thing or two. So I want to talk to you guys about attitude, because some of you guys that follow me, you guys have the right attitude. You have the right attitude. You're doing the right things. You're thinking the right way. You're in a really good space mentally. And good things are happening to you because of it. You're attracting the right relationships into your life. You're making the right decisions. You're clear-headed. You're focused. You're productive. You're happy. You feel fulfilled. A lot of good stuff's happening to you. Now, and good for you. I mean, that's all. You just keep doing that, and that's gonna pay off big time. But some of you guys out there are stuck. I see it all the time. I read your comments. I get well over 500 direct messages a day. People begging me, teach me how to be successful. I want to have that lifestyle. I want to know what you know. But the truth of the matter is, no matter what I say, or anybody says, or what they hear, or they watch on YouTube, or any input or information they get that teaches them step by step to crack the code, they can't figure out why they can't make it happen for themselves. They can't figure out why. They can't put their finger on why their life is full of chaos. They're unproductive. They don't feel fulfilled. They're stressed out all the time. They're broke all the time. They're out of time all the time. They're stuck. The reality is, no matter what anybody says to you, when you're at that place and you have a broken mindset and your attitude is bad, it doesn't matter what anybody says. You could have lunch with Bill Gates or Warren Buffett. They could give you the best investing advice or the best life advice, and you would still fuck it all up. Because the truth of the matter is, you have a bad attitude. You see, people who grow up in a rough environment, like I did, no money, no successful people in your life, nobody around you that has real ambition. I mean, you might be around some hard workers, people that work hard, but the truth is, they got a bad attitude, they got a bad relationship with money, they have a broken mindset. So you've never learned or role modeled off of somebody because you didn't have those people in your life. And so you grow up in this shitty environment where you're negative, you're skeptical, you're one of those people that everything's a scam, right? Real estate's a scam, crypto's a scam, Forex is a scam, investing in stocks, everything's a scam to you because you're so broken. You're carrying all this negative past baggage into your future relationships, and it's blinding you from opportunities. It's your attitude. It's your attitude and the way you feel about yourself. It's your attitude towards others. It's your shitty relationships that you have. It's your broken friends. Bad people in your life that don't pull you up. They hold you down. And I'm just talking to some of you guys out there that need a wake-up call. A lot of times I come on, it's all lovey-dovey and positive, and hey, let's rah-rah do this shit together. Today's a great day, sun's shining. But not today. Today, I want to get real with you. I'm not here to be a guru, I'm here to be your friend. And sometimes you just got to get slapped around a little bit and get that gut punch for you to wake the fuck up and go, damn, I've been lying to myself. I fooled myself. You see, I can maybe fool everybody around me, but you can't kid yourself. When you look in the mirror, you know the fucking truth. You know that you're sad. You know that you're unhappy. You know you're unfulfilled. You know you're not playing full out. You know you're making excuses. You know you're blaming others. You know you're being a victim. Everybody else is the reason you're at the place you're at. Well, you know the truth. I know the truth. spending money on dumb shit that temporarily makes you feel good. I put a post out the other day about Yeezy shoes and, buying luxury items. I didn't buy a single luxury item for a decade. Every dollar I made, I reinvested. I didn't buy luxury shit. People see my lifestyle now and they're like, damn, you got the Teslas, you got the Range Rovers, you got Lamborghinis and Porsches, you got $3-4 million houses, you got multiple houses, you fly private when you want, you do whatever the fuck you want, you own multiple businesses. They see all that shit. What they don't see is a decade of living below my means, investing every available dollar into assets, no luxury items, just buying real estate, investing my money, buying stocks that pay dividends, creating cash flow, massive sacrifice, not paying myself for 2-3 years while my business is new. Yeah, you don't see that shit. You don't see the fights with my wife and the credit card bills mounting up. You don't see the fucking stress and the lack of sleep. You don't see my friends making fun of me on social media because I'm talking about one day I'm gonna live like a boss. One day I'm gonna have all the nicest shit in the world. They thought I was fucking crazy. And the reality is, most people that you grow up with, they're not there to support you. If they see you doing better than them, they're gonna hate on you. And it's not their fault. They're just angry at themselves. They're pissed off at their situation. So they take that shit out on you. And they say negative, hurtful things, comments on social media or maybe even directly to you, trying to protect you. But you don't see all my best friends, me having to fire their asses. Lonely. Being an entrepreneur is fucking lonely, man. And it sucks. The first few years, it sucks. It's not glamorous. So Instagram makes you feel like if you're not an entrepreneur, you're a piece of shit. The reality is most people can't handle it. It's just too tough. The first few years suck. Everybody wants the result, but you got to put in the work. You got to create success habits. You got to sacrifice. You got to be lonely. You got to be comfortable being alone. Gior says, who am I? I'm just a fucking dude on Instagram. No different than you. From Mesa, Arizona. Grew up in the hood of Mesa, Arizona. One of the only white kids. All my friends were Hispanic. Can't jump. Can't sing. I could barely dance. Can't speak other languages. Didn't grow up with any money. Got C's and D's in school. Sold drugs. Smoked weed. Hung out with average people. Did all the dumb shit growing up that every kid that doesn't have good role models in their life does. But I broke free of that shit. I made a decision one day that enough was enough, that I wasn't gonna live my life being average. I wasn't gonna wake up one day when I'm 80 and look around me and say, damn, I wasted it. I fucking wasted it, man. I didn't do what I should have done. I neglected to step up. I never set the standard. I never set an example. And I wasted my time. Stressed out, living off Medicaid, Social Security. I wasn't going to do it. I just made the decision. I wasn't going to need a handout to survive. And that I was going to be different than everybody else. I don't know why. I don't know where it came from. I just got pissed one day and said, I'm done. And guess what? When you finally get there and you break free of that bad attitude, and you make that decision that things are going to change and you get pissed off, and you start making better decisions, quit doing drugs, quit selling drugs, joined the military, went to school, got into investing, educated myself. I spent a lot of money to educate myself. Money I didn't have. Credit card debts piling up because I wanted it so fucking bad. RX Sam, how did you start? I just started. one foot in front of the other. I just started self-educating. Jim Rohn says formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. And that's the truth. You gotta be smart enough to realize that school never stops, that you can't have such a bad relationship with money that you're not willing to invest in yourself, because nobody else is going to do it for you. Mommy and daddy's not going to help you. The government's not going to help you. Politicians, your friends, nobody's going to do shit for you, dude. Nobody. You're all alone. You're by yourself, and you gotta put your fucking boots on. Make that call that you're going to do whatever it takes and go to work and get at it and sacrifice and work for years consistently, figuring it out. Fail, get laughed at, fail, be alone, fail, get laughed at some more, go broke, be stressed, have nobody believe in you, but you got to keep going. Somebody just said hard work versus luck. I think they go hand in hand. I think when you work hard and you educate yourself and you network your brains out and you become an expert and you become very focused and you become an expert, the opportunities start to appear in front of you and you're just lucky enough to know how to take advantage of them. Period. It's the way the world works. But they don't see the sacrifice and all the pain. They just see the results. So if you want those results, step number one, to change your attitude. It goes here. Your mindset changes your physiology and the way you feel about yourself, which gives you the confidence to go take actions. And that's my message for you today. I'm out. I got to go get a haircut. Love you guys. That's all I got for you. If you watch this as a replay, appreciate you. Thank you for following. I'll see you next time. Take care. Comb your hair. Spurbs out.